What up, cousins? As y'all can see, we are getting our RV leveled again because I didn't get a level right the first time. Welcome back, cousins, to a day in the life as a full-time RVer. As y'all can see, they are doing the little levels or whatever like they need to do, but we finna leave for a minute. Y'all, we had to come to this place that do the drive-in daiquiris because I wanted me a daiquiri and I didn't want to fix it myself. And I've been hearing about this place, so I was like, let's try this place and see what they got. Never seen a drive-in daiquiri place before, but we are here. As y'all can see the flavors. I forgot what it was that we got, but y'all, it was good, cousins. It was good, cousins. It was strong, good, and it hurt my teeth a little bit because it was so cold. But I did like it, cousins. Come on, let's take another ride around town with your favorite cousin. Y'all can ride to the nail shop. Me, my dad, and my hubby. I love the frozen margaritas, y'all. Decided to stop by this farmer's market, and it's $16 for a pink pineapple, cousins. That was a little too expensive for me. $16 for a pineapple? No. The strawberries did look fresh, but we didn't get any of those either. So, I don't know. These jars of little cheeses, sauces, and stuff like that, that was a little pricey too. So, this is what we end up getting. Some honey, which was $8, I thought was too expensive. And we got some pink pineapples in a jug. So we didn't get the other one, but it was $5.99. It was okay. It wasn't like they said it was. It was not sweeter than the other one to me. So we on our way back home, and lo and behold, the FedEx truck is waiting on you, girl. Y'all think because you're in the RV you can't get packages? Look at my FedEx lady.
Everywhere. Travel everywhere.
Yeah. People want to know, how did I get packages in an RV? So I just wanted to show y'all you still can get packages staying in an RV. And you guys, just in case you did not see my video from Father's Day, I did pull it out this vlog. The reason why is I thought maybe some people wanted to just have a video showing exactly how much did we spend on a refill and where did we get it from. And y'all know I make it easier for y'all. So I do have a video on that, just on that particular topic. Okay, y'all, I am back at home taking down my hair. As you can see, cousins, I have had a long day. I just love how our RV look at nighttime with these lights. I just love it, cousins. I have took y'all along with me all day today. We have visited I don't know how many places. I am tired, cousins. If y'all like these videos, make sure y'all keep watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, follow, comment. I do answer comments back and I do follow back. Okay, cousin, now I'm about to soak in this tub because your girl is tired and I need this bath. Whew. About to put me some Epsom salt in here. And cousins, I will catch y'all on my next video. And just in case some of y'all didn't know, yes, I do have a tub in my RV. It's a little smaller than the regular tub, but it will do. It do for me, cousins, and I love it. I absolutely love my RV and everything about my RV. Bye, cousins.